Hi everyone, in this video we're just going to step through how to install the Maps Creator software. So once you've downloaded the zip file and unzipped it, you'll just have the Maps Creator setup exe file. So we'll double click on that and you'll get a message. So do you want to allow this app? We click yes. And then in a few seconds the window will open up. The first time you do this you may get a warning. I didn't get it because I've already installed the Maps Creator before. If you get a Windows warning with a blue screen, just click on more info and then click run anyway. So in this case we just click on the I agree to the license terms and install. And the installer will run and then click finish. So once you've done the install, go to start menu and you'll likely see Maps Creator listed at the top. If not, just scroll down to the M's and you'll see it, Maps Creator, and then there. In my case it's at the top, so I'll click start and Maps Creator will open. Okay, once the software opens up, the very first time you open it, you'll be prompted to register the software. So there'll be a small box where you enter your PayPal email. That is a one-time thing. Once you enter your email, click register, the software will then be linked to your computer from our server. So that's just a one-time thing. The second time and subsequent times it will just open straight to the interface like mine has done here. So that's one thing. So to create a new project, you just put your project name. I'll just put test 1, click add. Now when you add that, the next button will still be grayed out, so we just select another project, then back to our newly created project and the button will activate. So then click next, put a title, we'll put Drew's awesome software, just for something funny to put. You can put whatever you like for your project title, tags, Peter's software, and just however many tags you like. Software, separated by a comma. Main site URL, just put your site URL or Google Sites, whatever URL you want to link to. I'll just put Google in here just for this test. Put a YouTube video related to the project. Click next. Then you just you can add your email accounts below. Once they're added, they'll appear on the left hand side, so you just highlight one, click the arrow to move it across to be used in the project. Now we click next, put keywords, awesome software, and I'll just put one test keyword in here. Click next, locations, location, and I'll just use one for now. You add multiple locations for the map, especially add suburbs if you like. And here you just add some text. So for this, I'm just going to paste some dummy text in there. If you have spin text, you can use the test spin text button and it will bring up window, which will just show your spun version of your spin text. Click recheck each time. I don't have spin text at the moment, so I'll just leave that dummy text. Click next, and then just click start, and the software will go out and build your map. At the end of the project, a PDF will pop up with your keywords that you've ran in this project, and your newly created map will be listed in your maps folder, which can be accessed from the URL I'll put on the screen here. But alternatively, if you're logged into that Google account that you've used for the project, if you go to My Drive, you'll also see your maps listed there. Okay, so have fun, and we look forward to seeing some of your results.